Okay, let's talk about descriptive statistics. So we have three independent variable and then four dependent variable. Now let's go to the analyze in the top of the menu, and then here has descriptive statistics, and then you click the frequency, and now is why you um, press the shift button on your keyboard and then click it. You can select all and then move to the right side. Okay, and then go to statistics. This time I want to see mean value, median, mode, sum, and continue, and you hit the continue. So SPSS provide this output different file. So this one is data file and output is the result part. So if you run here and then it will go through the result here, and then you can export this one to the Word, Microsoft Word process as a file. Either you can just copy and paste it to different file. Okay, so frequency, so mean value, the gender, this is the whole mean value. Okay, so this is more specific mean value by gender. So male, female, okay, percentage, this. So here, so you can take a look. So what I want to do in this time is I want to see depending on the independent variable, how the dependent variable change. So this time, same, go to analyze, but compare means. So you click the means, this one. And now, as I told you, this three is independent variable. So this one is goes to independent variable, and this one, this 4 is going to be dependent variable. And go to option. This time I think I don't need that the case. I just want to see the mean value difference. So continue, click it. So here, male, female, and this is what they answer, and this is mean value. So male is higher and higher than the female, which means male has more MLIS degree. And here, female is higher, and female is higher. So, and then danger, they think is the problematic. Female is, yes, they say it's more dangerous thinking. So you can see here, this is location based and this is role based. So you can see this. Okay, this is all for descriptive data. Now let's talk about graphic. So for the graphic is you click the graphics here and chart builder. Okay, and this time I'm going to use bar graphic. And click and drag and drop it, and you will see here x-axis and y. This time I want to compare that female, male, depending on independent variable. So click and drag it, and you see the change things, and I want to put this one, drop it here, so that male and female. And now we have to put this one as a certain independent dependent variable. So I'm just MLIS degree is bring it to here, cluster on X as set color. Okay. Now this is only for the count, so that's because female has 16 people and male has 14 people. It's not comparable because only for the count. Then definitely female is higher. So this time we need to change to the percentage, which is 100%, 100%. How we do that here is count. We're going to change the percentage. And then you click this set parameters and then not total. We're going to have total for each axis category, which is female is as 100, male as 100. Okay. Click continue. And if you click OK, then you can see here male and female and their answer no, yes, no. For this, it's not really that accurate, so I want to put number, the percentage. If you double click, you can see this chart editor, and then you see here this one. Click this property. Now you can close it. Now you can see the percentage. Okay, and then close it. So now you can see yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, but you can see the percentage. So for female is people, do you have, so it's 50%. So male has more people has the degree. One more time, other different one. You can also do this, close, and then set paragraph. Okay. Same to see more accurate. If you want to copy and paste it, if you want to use this graph, you can just simply right click and copy, and then you can paste it to your Word document. Okay, and you can see male is monthly more people than the female. So one by one, you can use descriptive data, and also you can use this graph, and then you can collect all this analysis data and then make implication from here. Okay, so this is graph part. Simply you can, if you want to use the graph, you can use it. Okay, so this is your decision, which way is more efficient to use it, then it's depending on you. Okay, so that's pie chart. Okay, let's talk about the chi-square right now then. Okay, chi-square is to measure the differences between the groups. So for example, male and female, do they have really significantly differences between these two groups? So in order to confirm there's a differences is to see the p-value. So chi-square will show the p-value, but this p-value is, if the p-value is less than 0.05, then we can say that's the significantly difference. So we need to find that any effect is less than 0.05. But for our data, only 30 people, is too little to see the p-value. So expected count, there's expected count is if this is below to 5 count, then we can't use this one as a chi-square. So a lot of data I use is really more than like 100 data. So I will just show you we using my data, and then you will know that what is just chi-square. So this time just know the p-value and then how to use the chi-square. Maybe you can use this one for the future. Okay, I just opened my research project. So here we have gender, age, and then race, and then other dependent variable. So this study is about that's how the gender is affect to the game ethics. So in other two differences between the gender is we have to see the chi-square. So go to analyze and then descriptive statistics crosstabs. And then I put the gender and then I put the multiple account. What is your opinion for the multiple account? If you have a multiple account, is okay ethics or not? So that was question. So statistics, chi-square definitely check box, and then sales, I check observed expected account, and then this percentage row. As I said before, the expected count should be everything should be above the 5. Okay, hit continue. Click. So we got 1,970 people's the data, and then here has male and female. Male has 1,021, female has 600. So here you see the expected count. This one needs to be supposed to be over 5, so everything looks clear. Everything looks over 5. Okay, now here Pearson chi-square. You see here this one is p-values because this is p-value, and then it's below to 0.05, which is there's a male and female. There's a significantly difference between these two groups. So this is good finding. So we can post it to the result. Okay, that's for everything for chi-square. And then today we learned how to install the SPSS, data cleaning, how to import data, and the descriptive statistics, and graphic, and chi-square. So for the future, maybe I hope you can use statistics or R or Python's any statistic tools, and then more interpretate your data and then find the good result on that. Okay, I hope this one can help you, and if you have any question, feel free to email me, bother me. Okay, okay, happy Thanksgiving Day, and thank you.